3 and 2, that's quite a bit. That's much more than the others were.
Could it be how I put it on? Maybe I don't
No, I don't think so. You would know if you put it on wrong. Did you figure out why it's calling for so much weight?
There's already weights on.
Yeah, so we got to take the old weights off. All right, did you get all the old weight off?
Yes, I did.
Go ahead and close the hood again and see if it calls for any less weight now. I think that'll make a little bit of a difference. What do you think it's going to call for? Make a guess, quick.
About the same as the other two.
So 1 and 1.5.
Right. Maybe a little bit more because
Oh,
of paper.
2 and 2.
Huh.
So we didn't change any weight requirements on the outer, but we did cut off an ounce on the inner. So we'll go ahead and put these on. So as you rotate the wheel, notice how the lights change on the screen there. Whenever the inner shows all the dots lit up, that means that the 12 o'clock position is where the weights are going to go. Whenever you see it with the outer like that, that's a 12 o'clock position on the outer edge of the wheel that the weights are going to go.
Look for the inner first.
Right there. Now you know that you need 2 ounces of weight right here on the wheel. A little bit, that's good. And just take this paper towel, wipe it clean. There you go. 2 ounces of weight. Those are 1/4 ounce a piece, so you need 8 total. Fold them backwards. Yeah, there you go.
Right here in the middle.
Yep.
Like that.
There you go. Yeah, perfect. Good job. You'll need another 8 weights for 2 more ounces for the outer edge.
2, 4, 6, 8.
There it is. All right, 12 o'clock position right there. It's going to be right there. It's going to be right behind the spoke of the wheel. So just rotate it 180 degrees. You'll have to clean some of that old adhesive off, so get it wet with your brake clean. There you go. Take the putty knife and scrape all that old adhesive off.
Okay.
And go ahead and clean it off. Get it nice and shiny. Looking good. Good job. That's fine.
Is that all right?
Yeah, it'll be all right. Just stick them down.
Okay.
It'll be okay. You can always add more if needed.
All right.
You need one more.
Right to the inside.
Lower the hood and see what it says.
Okay, there it goes.
There you go. All zeros. Good job. Go ahead and take it off the balancer. And then squeeze the red lever and slide it off. Yep, there you go. Perfect. Take your cone out. And take the wheel off. There you go. And that's it.
Awesome.
Think you can get it?
No.
No? Okay. You want me to do it?
Well, I don't know. Maybe I can.
If you want me to help you, just let me know.
Although I'm probably going to do lifting wrong. Yeah, I'm going to let you do it.
Okay.
I don't want to hurt my lower
I
back.
don't blame you. I don't blame you.
All
Well,
right.
now she's behind the camera. So this is how I usually lift a wheel, guys. And everybody's got their own way of doing this, but here's what I typically do. You take your knee and just brace it against the tire like so. Take both hands, grab the wheel like this, roll it up onto your leg like so, and then just kind of kick it off with your left knee like this and catch it.
Oh, okay.
Then just walk up, bend your knees. And there you go. One more time for good measure. Left knee, roll it up, kick it off, catch, slide it on. That's it. We use this little torque stick. What this is this is a special torque limiting socket, if you want to call it, that will limit the output torque of that impact to the lug nut to 100 foot-pounds of torque. So you don't over torque your lug nuts.
What a good idea.
That way when you're on the side of the road with a flat tire, you can actually get it off.
Right.
And it's not hammered on there and possibly tight.
First we put them on.
And remember to always start them by hand so you don't cross thread them. Now set the impact on the forward setting.
Okay.
There you go.
All right.
And then go in a star pattern.
So. Right.
Actually,
Oh.
go this one here.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
And then,
There you go. Good job. Yep.
here.
There you go. Now that you've got them snug, make sure you slide the torque stick on all the way.
Okay.
Squeeze the trigger on the impact all the way. Don't be afraid of it. And go until it stops tightening. It'll start hammering. Just keep going until it stops turning. You'll see it. There you go. Perfect. Yep. Go ahead and pop your wheel covers, hubcaps, whatever you want to call them, back into place.
Just.
Yep, there you go. Is that on there good?
I don't think I got that. Hold on. No, down low. There you go.
Slam it.
Wait.
Hit it hard. There you go.
There.
I was going to say, hit it like you would slam your fist down on the table when I got my math problem wrong for the 5th time. I'm just kidding. All right, give it a good punch. Yeah, there you go. Now you're getting it. Punch it hard.
That's when I.
Give it a little bit more.
I'm gonna let you do it.
You want me to get it?
Hurt, honey.
All right, I'm gonna punch it as if I was punching the table after being made to do my math problem 5 times. There we go.
There you go. Awesome.
Good old wheel caps. All right, that's it.
All
You
right,
have
now
4
how do we clean our
brand new
hands?
tires. We'll clean our hands with a special soap I have, don't worry.
Okay.
Isn't that just a lovely thing? Look at
Yep, look at that.
that. All right, press the down button.
All right, down button.
And down it goes. Once it's down all the way, there you go. Well, are you happy now?
I sure am.
When you put it in reverse, get a little run at the ramp so the truck rolls off of it easily. I told you, get a little run at it. There you go. Now put it in reverse and hit the gas a little bit. Don't hit the brake. You're good. You're fine. Yeah, you're good. Bye-bye.